So you chose to lie? To drag your friend? Huh? To gamble behind my back? Jenny naman! Isn't just a mistake. You betray me! Hey. Fancy? Restaurant. May okasyon ba?
Wala naman. Gusto lang kitang makausap. In person. Hindi sa bahay.
Usually, gusto kitang makausap. Means, may problem? Okay, shoot.
Hintayin muna natin si Susie.
Susie? Akala ba tayong dalawa lang?
It's connected sa kanya eh.
Hi. Sorry. Traffic eh. Hi, Clyde.
Hi, Susie. What is this all about?
Susie. Yung usapan natin. Yung utang ko sa'yo. Can we talk about it now?
Wait. Utang?
Susie, remember, yung utang ko sa'yo.
Utang? Clyde, wala siyang utang sa akin. Hindi ko siya pinahiram. Nagsisinungaling siya.
Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Susie, yung usapan natin.
Janine, hindi ko na kayang panoorin kang winawasak yung sarili mo. Clyde, lulong siya sa online casino. Nagsusugal siya. At ilang buwan na, Clyde, I didn't even lend her money. Hindi siya ang may utang sa akin eh. Ginamit niya lang ako para may mapagtakpan.
What? Pinagtatakpan mo, Janine.
I'm sorry. I didn't know what to do. I panicked.
Sa lahat ng tao, si Susie pa ginamit mo? Kaibigan mo. Kaibigan ko din.
I've been playing online casino for months. Nagsimula sa 50 dirhams, 500, then thousands.
You know what? She begged me to cover. Akala ko nga, isang beses lang. Then it became every month. Tapos, laging, Susie, please.
Gano'ng kalaki ang nawala?
Close to 20,000 dirham.
20? Janine naman. Pambayad na natin ang upa sa bahay yun na. And that's already your savings.
Sinubukan kong huminto. Pero ko kaya eh. Akala ko mababawi ko yung pera natin. Konting swerte lang.
So you chose to lie? To drag your friend? Huh? To gamble behind my back? Jenny naman! Isn't just a mistake. You betray me.
I need help. I know I can stop. Akala ko kaya ko mapigilan. Pero hindi ko mapigilan. Parang may humihila.
Then let's find help. A real help. Not apps. And of course, not another lie. Janine, kung hindi mo pa to harapin ngayon, baka hindi na ikaw ang mawala. Baka pati si Clyde na.
You have to fix yourself, Janine. For you. Hindi lang para sa akin.
So, are you leaving me?
Hindi ako aalis. But I won't stay if nothing changes.